Whoa! Are you vacuuming? Are you vacuuming? Not the mama. Not the mama. No, not the mama. No.
Crazy8Family.
Oh no! Not the mama.
Mama.
You vacuuming the mama? Show me your vacuum work. Show me your vacuum. Whoa, look at that. Look at all your vacuuming up. You're doing a good job. Look at all that dirt you got in there. Ow.
Mama.
You get the mama. You get the mama. Will you get under that chair? Look at you. Good job. Oh no.
Mama.
It's getting the mama. It's getting the mama. Oh. Good job. Way to go. What did Lucas do? Did he spill the chips all over the floor? What did he do? Go get your vacuum. You gotta clean it up. You gonna get your vacuum? You gonna clean up your chips? Just gonna step on them. What did you do, little bug? Let me see what you did, you little bug. Really? Really? Lucas? You are such a buggy boy. All done? All done.
Mama.
All done. What'd you do? Chips. And now we're crunching them. Are you having fun? Are they done? I think they're all over the floor. Uh-oh. You can clean it up. Is it working? You cleaning up your chips? How's it working? Those chips getting cleaned up? How are you doing with that vacuum? Is it working? Chips?
And watch us grow. Yay!